All right, are we live? Are we live this morning? Are we live this morning? Okay, we are live. Everything looks like it's working fine. Market is up 175 points overnight on news that there's a ceasefire that was agreed to for at least 2 weeks. So that made oil drop. They said that some ships was allowed to go through from other countries. So we'll see what was happening here. It's holding up. We may get a pullback. Let's see if some people, some traders start taking profits. Maybe it's been holding up overnight. It popped and just kept coming up, just running up. Got the 50 at 20. VWAP down to 68.08. We had some bounce at 68.17. So we'll see which way the market is. But we can find a direction for this market. You know, yesterday, I was down. We was down in the morning, and I mean yesterday I did take some trades and I was down in my Lucid account, but I did take another trade, which after so I did break my rules. 2 trades, I lost 2. I was supposed to quit for the day, but I didn't. I came back and saw a short that I wanted to take, and I took it. So I'm up a little bit now. Got to make 3,000 to pass this on each account. I have 5. I blew this one, but this is the one here. Hold up, I got active 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, got some slippage here, but actually I'm gonna tell you what happened. My copy trader, when I turned on the copy trader, don't know how it got me into a position by just turning on the copy trader. So I had to go. I couldn't close them out on the chart, so I had to just go and close them manually one by one. And so I got some slippage. You see 281, 218, 293. It was different prices, and this one I guess was at the worst price, and so 181. So these are all the other flex accounts that I blew. So yes, I have blue accounts, 150 and 50 accounts. So I have 5 new accounts that I'm trying to pass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50,000 flex accounts. So that's where I'm at, what I'm trying to do. Let's see if I can pass those accounts. See if I can pass those accounts. I wanted to take this 30 break because we've been breaking 30, but I think we may stay, if we stay below 30, because we've been going over and under 30. You see here, we've been breaking this 30, but we've been bouncing back up. We even came down as far as 20. That would have been a nice 10-point move. Actually, it fell from 40, and now we're between 30 and 40, just trading between this 30 and 40 range. So this is where we look where we're at on the daily chart. No, this is the daily. So from the fib levels, we're past the 61.8. Next level, 619.16. But we get there today, who knows? We got the nice, we got a we have a V bottom, come down, V shape, straight back up. Let's see, we had a V bottom here also. Run back up. So let's see what happened. We got a V bottom here. Weekly chart. We still in the uptrend, even though we had this down. We still in the uptrend. Low, higher low, higher low. We broke this low, but we still had a higher low. Continue the uptrend, higher low, and now we breaking up the V bottom. Let's see if this happens and continues up to make new highs. So let's see where we want to go. Next stop, 6,900, round level. Don't know if we get there today. We'll see where we get to today. This is how the 4-hour bar looks. Let's see if I can get some more days in here just to give it a little more context. So we have a shoulders head and the shoulders here. That's about 300 points from the low to this break. And so that puts us at 300 from here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 69, 60. Around this level, we can get to 6920, 6960. If this, you can go shoulders, head and shoulders, or you can go shoulders, or you go cup and handle, but came and consolidated a little bit here before it broke. So 300 points. So you could take it from here inside these levels, but we have different levels. You can draw the line from here. You want to draw the line from here. And you could take this break, say this was the shoulders, and this break here around 40, 40, 50 level. And if you go 50, 300, 69.50. So if you want to go 69.50, that'll put us right above 76.4 in this area. So I'm gonna put it here and I'm gonna mark it 69.50. We're gonna say 69.50. 69.50. I'm gonna change it to purple. Okay, let me see. Put some text on here. Where's the text? I don't put too much text on here, so I gotta find the text. Okay. 300 point target. Head and shoulders. Head and shoulders. Come on, I want to move it out of here. What just happened? I want to get this. I don't want that there. Do I edit it? All right, let me see if I can move it up. I'll do it this way. I'm gonna edit the text. You can't edit the text. That's the font. Text, here we go. Market is open. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna just move this up to this, Okay. This 30 I've been watching. I do want to short this 30. I don't like trading the open. I don't like trading the open. We have a big order here also. We got a lot of shorts coming in trying to take this profit, but 68.20, we got a lot of shorts at 68.28, but there we go. There we go. Let me see, 68.30. That was the 10 points down. And coming up. Let me see, 68.50. 68.40. Let's see where we go. I'm doing something early. I thought I had 7. And I couldn't get that. We're holding, bouncing off the 50 moving average. Been bouncing off this 16 level. Back up, testing the 30. Back testing the 30s. Let me see where we're going. 25. $68.40. Kind of staying under 25, 30, under the 30. Let's see, no direction yet. 25. No direction. Bounce off to 25. This is the market just trying to figure out which way it wants to go. It's trying to hold up. We got market just holding here. And they're gonna dump. Oh, a little dump. Let's see. Hasn't stayed below 20. They're trying to hold it up. Let's see. They're trying to hold it up. If it goes down, it's gonna go down choppy. 18. 25. Yeah, it's popping. 4 points at a time. Yeah, they're trying to hold the 20. We testing VWAP. Testing VWAP. And the back, we came back into the low volume node of 11. Another pop. What's happening here? Bouncing off the VWAP. So we got the low volume node and VWAP almost at around the same levels. All right, over and under 20. Over and under 20. That's what we're looking at. Over and under 20. I'm trying to get okay, the market held VWAP, bounced back to 30. And held VWAP and bounced back up to 30. Okay. Let's see what we doing today. That 30-40 level. Point of control is at 33. And if you look at the orders, it's like the orders on the right hand side, this big bell curve. It's not like a small bell curve here and then you break out. We broke out this little bell curve here, but look, now we got a wide range of trading in between this 20, 25 level. And then if we go up, we got a pretty wide range here between the 36 and this level. So between the 36 and this 28 level. See with a 10 o'clock, this is the 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart. So this 4-hour bar is just shaking here. If we break 10, we can have a move lower. So let's see. Looks like it's coming down now. We break VWAP. Okay, and there we go.
Order submitted.
If we get back to 10, I want to be in.
Order fell. Order submit. Order fell.
Okay. See if we can break 10 and keep down. Come down. See if we can go. It's holding, trying to hold this level. I'm trying to get out where we can.
Order failed.
My stop got hit. My stop got hit. Okay, my stop got hit. And the value node got lower. My value node got lower. VWAP, over and under VWAP. Let me get my 4-hour chart up here. I'm gonna keep this up here, but I think we what's this low? 09. So that's where we was holding.
Order
I want to be in here again, but I wanted that 10. Couldn't get into the 10. But let's see if we get caught in the chop, or if I get caught in the chop, or we get to bounce down. I want to give it some room, but I don't want to give it too much room. Come on.
Order failed.
I don't know why I'm getting out. It's a stop, but I'm getting out below. Look at this. It's gonna break. It's
Order
gonna break,
submitted.
and I'm just not gonna be in it.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. If it come up, I'm gonna be in another position because we break this low, we gone. It's gone. 64. It's just holding, trying to hold, but if we break it, we're gone.
Order filled.
This is no good. It's no good. Look at this.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Let me trying to.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Let's see what happens. Come on. I think we get lower. I think we get lower. We just, when are we going to get lower? If this doesn't work, then I'm out. If we keep going, then I'm out.
Order filled.
That's it for me. Can't get this short. And it will go, I believe, but it's going to go without me. And I thought we'd get this break, but no. I had to come back tomorrow. Thought we'd get some dump after VWAP, and we will. I know we will, but maybe we consolidate and then break. Who knows? But or we come back up into 20, 50, 50 and roll over. But I just can't. I can't catch it. Oh, 05 is the low. We're gonna keep bouncing here. Got caught in this chop. They're below here. 09. How far? About 4 points. back over VWAP. Oh, here go the 10 o'clock bar. Here go the 10 o'clock 4-hour bar right here. Okay, I'm not going to man. Close, not fit. I mean open. No, close. Close is 6809. We came, well, this wasn't here at that time, but we came down close to the 10 moving average, the 9 moving average, and bounced off. For all the moves that it made, I have not gotten 4 points. 4. That's it. 4 points on the trade. $15. We got 18 here. 1875. We got the low 17. So between this 1875, this 17, 50 moving average is 19. So let's see, 20. NASDAQ is making new lows, but ES is not. They're trying to hold it up. They're trying to hold it up. Back to 15, 16. Over and under VWAP. May squeeze, the fall bar came down below this low. And just consolidating in between, ranging in between this 17, 8, this 18. Let's say 20 and 10. Trading in this news cycle, ranging, and this news coming out, and this war is just not conducive for somebody like me with short, tight stops. Your entries has to be on point. You might hear me sipping my coffees, my matcha and my chocolate cocoa mixed together. Okay. Back to the upside. Can we get past this low 17 and this high 1875? So basically this high 1875, we can test the 20 to 50 moving level, 50 moving level. So we got some, will this become resistance up in here? But we're over We got some resistance on the 4-hour, but we over the VWAP, so it has some struggling here between traders that's trying to, reject this area, this 1920 area, and traders that's trying to hold on to VWAP on the long side. We're up 160 points. I know people are waiting. Traders like, look, they got their Fibonacci levels up. They like, look, we can come back 50%. Will it be come back 50% today? Who knows? But I know they're like, look, this thing can come back 50%. It don't have to come back. It can keep going, but we got this high. Oh, 68.09. Is that the 09? 68.18. So we got, this is where we trying to hold this level here. Will we get back into 20 and roll over, or come back to test this 3640 area? Volume is dropping off. Buying volume is dropping off. It's getting lower. Buying volume is fading. Well, this bar hasn't closed yet, but for the most part, as of right now, let's see what happens to the 20. See what happens to the 20. 68.20. Keep an eye on 68.23. Looks like they're trying to push it through. Buy him a little even here. Consolidate and pop over 50. We got the 20 moving average. Might bounce off the 20 moving average. Could do that and roll over, but who knows? See if we can get, we in between the 50 and VWAP and just hanging out in there. Over under VWAP. $11.10. What time is it? Is this the dump? This is the new, it's the 15-minute bar. Looks like we're still in this range between 10, 15, 18, between 10 and 20. I'm gonna just say between 10 and 20. We may dip a little bit, but I like the round numbers. Ranging in between 10 and 20. Once we get out this range, where will we go? Get out this range, where will we go? We got chopped in that range. I thought we had it. Thought we had a nice. Thought this was gonna be a flush. No, no. And they say no, no, no. Didn't flush. Didn't flush. Actually been bouncing off of here. Bouncing. Bouncing. And I still have a down bias, but if it's gonna keep popping, I still got a short bias, but it can pop and roll over. They can pop and hold up. It can stay around here. Just want to see. We have no clear direction at this time. It's holding up. It's making higher lows, and it's holding up. So in the short term, we're consolidating. Consolidating. Consolidate. Okay. 16. Still in between this area here. I'm going to draw a line around here. This is where we are. We dip below it a little bit, but this is where we are. I could count the dip. What's this? This low is 05 and this low is 06. So I'm gonna take it to the 05. Okay, we're in this area. This is where I got chopped. I think they want to defend or support that 6,800. I think they really want to support that 6,800, bro. If I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken on. Over and under VWAP. And VWAP is right there at the bottom of the opening range, which point of control is also right there at the opening range. On any other regular day, I would like this short break of VWAP. Didn't close under yet. Any other regular day, I would like the short break of VWAP. Well, will I get to close? There are buyers buying up here, until you don't. In about 5 minutes, we'll have another 15-minute bar. These 15-minute bars are looking weak. We may make a close lower. And here we go. And here we go. Cracking 10. Cracking 10. We got 05. I would usually feel real good about breaking these lows here, this low here, on any other day. Because this is the dump. But they're like, we're going to defend this level. We're going to hold this level as much as we can. Much as we can. Because we don't want it to drop. We got a few things to consider also. If I bring the daily chart over, we can see that we're over the 200 on a daily chart. We're back in this range here. We had some sell-offs, some rejections in this area before, around this 14. This is where we had to dump. We sold off. But VWAP is, VWAP. The 200 period moving average is here, and it's trying to hold over it, trying to hold up in this level area. I got this area marked off from going back, way back in the time. But going back a little bit, if we can look at how this area, we was holding this area here as a form of support, and then some resistance here. I was going back when we was trading some areas. But yeah, so I don't know if you can really see it, but kinda in this area here, we have some support and resistance, and especially where this bar is an indecision bar right here. So we over here now. So we back here under 12. We could just chop around here. 67.95. So they may be trying to hold the 200 moving average on a daily chart on the higher time frames. I'm still biased to the short side. I am. Are they done with the chop and ready to rock and roll? Who knows? I like the forward bar. Let's see what the chop looks like. I'm not supposed to be taking any other trades. I'm not following my rules. I'm not. I'm supposed to be done for the day. Really. There go the 6, the 5. Do we break? Another bar opened up. Hey, back over low volume node. Low volume area here. They know so many people is watching this, and saying, if this falls, we gone. But for me, I don't have that much. My stops is, it's too tight. 2-point stops. We get back to 10. There we go. No. There we go. No. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those bounces. Look at those bounces. Look at those bounces. Look at those bounce right off of 68. Did it touch it? 68, bounce right off 60. I would expect to bounce off 68 though at any time. I would expect that. The key is, do we pull back below this 200 moving average? That's the thing. Do we pull back below? We came and tested. Well, this wasn't this low when we got here, but because we only went as high as 47. But we came and tested, we between the 50 and the 200. This the 50 moving average, this the 200. So the 200 is at 95. We got this bar that was 93. Do we dip below? Do we dip below this? Do we come back? To 95. If we dip below 95, we can get 90 to 80 because we'll be below the 200 moving average. We might be able to get it short from 90 to 80. These shorts are not easy today. Then we'll go back. In hindsight, later on in the day, be like, oh, you could have took that short. Look, that flush. You missed that? How you missed that? Yeah, I missed it because that didn't just drop smoothly and went all the way down. That didn't just drop. That didn't just drop. It had a shake before it dropped. And putting my stops behind the bar at the time would be too much to risk. Let me see, high on here is 0475. Okay, That's my phone. Keeping an eye. I like the heaviness of this bar, but the heaviness doesn't mean too much today when you get these pullbacks. $95 is what I'm looking at for this 200 period moving average. I'm watching this 95 level. $95 and $93.50. Do we get back above 68? $97. Above 68, still didn't hit 4 or 5. Still not 4 points yet. 2, 2.5, 3, 3.25, 350, 4. Okay, hit the 4. Yep, would have had the 4.68 long. You're gonna be some fighting here to keep this up and to dump it. To dump it. Watching this 95. Watching this 95. Looking at the 4-hour bar. I would expect that it may break. Looking at the 95, 93. 68.50. Is that a fake, or is that going to be a move? Is it going to hold up? Nothing to do. Just watching 68. Seeing if we consolidate down here for a move back up. See if they want to hold it up. Right now we have see if I can get a channel in here somewhere. Right now we have a channel that's just does this 0405 become resistance now? 05 to 09 in here. Does this become this resistance? Let's see. What's the open on here? 11. So that means we would have to pull back to the open of this bar to get 10 points. 68. Follow bar will have to pull back to get 10 points. Back to VWAP. Basically, that's not far-fetched. This level here is trying to hold. They're trying to reject that 4-5 level. Well, they have been rejecting it. 5.25. They haven't rejecting it. Let's see. If we start closing higher, if it though it's small, made a close, higher close. Don't know if this is gonna close any higher. We'll know in 18, 17 seconds where this bar wants to close. And then another 15-minute bar is going to open up. And we'll see where that wants to land. Over and under 6,800. Okay, we closed lower, but we closed lower than this bar, but higher than this this open. 98.75. So let's see. Really not making no moves. This is nothing to do in here. Even if I wanted to get in here, it's not making enough moves for me to take a risk of it dumping or going higher. Riding this non-train. This is the non-period moving average. So we stay under the non-period moving average. We'll be riding the non-train. Maybe coming over, consolidate to try to get to what, 86? Had the daily chart up. Where is it? Okay, we're gonna keep the daily chart on here. Okay, testing at 95. We're gonna go here. We're testing that 95. That's the 200 period moving average. It's got it where we know it's 95. So let's see if we stay below it. We got 94, 94.50. $15-minute bar just opened up and missed the drop. But heck of that 95. Do we stay over or under 95? Under the 200 period moving average is definitely a weak signal if we stay below it. Okay. We dipped below it and then came above it. Over and under 68. We've been struggling with this 68. Still riding this 9 train, but we dip, pop. We got a tight down channel here. So we've been having a tight down channel here. Over and under VWAP, over and under 6,800. 92.75 bounced right back up by 8 points. 92.75. Bounced up 9 points. Over 6,800 is only bounced about what, 4, 5 points. Do they want to bring it into this 80? If they do want to bring it to 80, you might want to do it while we in this range. This will get us to about 86. So if we're going to come to 80, we have to, it's going to be about the afternoon. If we come out and then bounce over, or we just consolidate. 11:30. Got about 45 minutes, I think. 10:50. Cracking back under 95. Testing that VWAP. I mean, 200 period moving average. Testing it. I like to see this crack, but I like to see this 94 crack, but got some support down here too. It's 94. I'm gonna just drop these for a minute to show where we at. We got some support here. If we go back, we around this area, up in this area here. So let me go into a 15-minute chart. I know it's a lot on this chart. It's a lot on this chart. Let me see if I can go back. Show where we are. Right here in these levels. And we're in a tight down channel. That's not really $88, $83. We could get some bounce in this area. This is where we are down in this level. Down here in these areas. Give us some low buying support. Look at this. We got orders under, over. Barcode red, green, red, green. I would like to catch the 90 to 80. I'm going to try to take it. I'm going to try to take the 90 to 80. Let's see if we can get 90 to 80. Let me see if we get 90 to 80. That 83 is 8. We got some support down here. And like I said, the 80 may not be ready to break this. And I said that earlier, the 80 may not be ready to break it.
Stop filled.
Got stopped and then ran, huh? And guess what? Copy trader off. Copy trader is off. So even if I would have took the trade, copy trader is off. Come on. See, that's what happens if we all make mistakes. Copy trader is off. That would have been my trade for the day. I would have at least got some back. Let's see. Did we touch it? 80. We touched it. We touched it. We back in this level I got marked off. Go back here. Got support in this level. Back to 90. 91. 92. We go back to 95. Do we go back to 95? 92, 93. Do we go 95? $92. Would like to see this swing out of here. We in oversold levels. Could definitely get a pop outside of here. We're going into not prior days, but other high and lows, open and closes around this area. 94. Testing this 95 again, back to 200 moving average on the daily. Let's see if we get above it. Do we get above it? $94. V-shaped recovery, just like we had on the daily chart. 94, 95. If we get to 96, We reached the 80 pretty early. And that would have been my trade for today. But based on breaking of the 95 and breaking of the 90, just going from psychological levels like 60, 6800, 90, 80. Got above the 200. Bounced so far almost 20 points off this 80 level to the tick. 80 to the tick. Now we back up to 6,900, 6,800. 20 points to the upside. Now 6,800 hasn't broken over 6,800 hasn't broken over 6,805 yet. 05 in the quarter. That's where we had, since we were going over and under 6,800, we haven't broken 6,805 yet. As far as being bullish, we've been projected 6,805 so far. We're still in this down channel. Low volume node VWAP is at the top of the channel at 6810. We close right here at 94. At 94. We closed right below the 200 and got above it. So we retesting 6805. If we get a measure move of 20 points, then we may be hitting 24, 68, 24, possibly. Not saying we will. Okay, we're testing this 05 up here. Not too big on from 05 to 95 because we looking to come back into this 200 moving average, which is possible. So we did get to 05 and a quarter, which here is the high 05 and a quarter and got rejected. See, got the orders up here. We got rejected 05 and a quarter. We're in the value range. Maybe we stay in the value range. This is the low value here, and this is the high value here. These turquoise dotted lines, light blue dotted lines, 3801, 75. Can't see this one up here, but yeah, this is the range. Got a big bar volume at 6804. 6804, we got big bar order. Hey, we may make a shoulders, a head, and a shoulders. Come pull back and make another shoulder and go up for 20 points. Let me see, the shoulder would be, well, the low is 80. We know the low is 80. And if we come back and the high is this closed at 68. So just say 80 to 68. And we crack the 68. You're looking at 68.20. Where's that? That's over. It's back over 50 moving average. Interesting. We get 68, get back over. We pull back, make another shoulder. All right, so this came up out of here with our, it's like, let's see, 3 minute. Shoulders, head, shoulder. $24. That would be interesting. I don't know if it'd be a 24 pop. Not sure if it'd be a 24 move pop, but let's see how far this comes down. We over and under 60, 168, and I'm still following the trend line. Haven't broken this trend line yet. Bounced off the 65, off this right here. Haven't gotten back into this level. $95 is still a 200 moving average on the daily chart. Y'all gonna hear me stirring my matcha up a little bit, so testing 95, testing 95, testing 95. Now, if this takes, this is the head. This is the head. This is 97. We can come down a little, but in this area, this could be the head if we bounce off the 95 again and roll over. If, like I said, big if, and roll over, make a move up, looking for that 20-point move. If it don't, we get back down to the 80. So that's we breaking the 25. I mean the 95 here. Okay. Okay. Not sure this is going to happen. Looks like it could break. We back below that 95. Back below 95. Struggling low, 89.75. Got some orders stepping in at 95 on the sell side. Do it want to go get those orders? Is price going to get those orders at 95 or no? Or they just going to sit there? Are they going to get those orders? Will they go get those orders at 95? Let's see. Let's see. Are they trying to go get those orders at 95? $92, $93. Are they going to get it? Are they going to get it? There we go. They got the orders at 95. Now which way do we go? Do we go up or down? Took the orders at 95. Now do we go up or down? Where we going? Do we get that shoulder? Not sure. Just seeing. Maybe we don't. We got orders trying to push it down, trying to hold it down. We got orders trying to hold it down. We got a lot of buying orders came in. We got buying orders that came in at 60, at 95. 67.95. We have buying orders came at 67.95. Let's see if those buy orders hold. If not, then they'll get squeezed. Do we get another shoulder? Do we get a shoulder? Where was that shoulder? The little shoulder, head. Do we get another shoulder and a breakout? We over 95? We over 95. Still rocky down here. Still rocky. Do we cup, handle, or shoulders, head, and the shoulders? Now we're over and under the 200 moving average. But we gotta get above. We still haven't broken 95. And then by the time we do that, VWAP is gonna be here. Just trying to see when it possibly wants to hold above made a high and low. Another 15-minute bar is going to open up in about 37 seconds. Look at this 4-hour bar, just down, up. Low is 80, bounce back up. 80.03. The high on here is 18, so we have to get on the 3-minute. If this head and shoulders or play out and we break out of this area, then we're looking at trying to get to, there goes 15-minute bar opened up. The high on that 15-minute bar is 96. Well, no, it's not. It's the high is 96.75. Do we make a W right here? Do we make a W right here? Had a big, we got a big buy order and a big sell order here. Got buy order. $67.95. The volume. Okay, the buy order is bigger than 92. We got a sell order. Got a sell order 398, 94.75. Oh, I'm missing my go. That's what I wanted to get in. I think we may have a push here. May have a push here. I like this. High, low, high, low. If we can get a push here somewhere. I don't know about the 20 points, but if I can get above 68. Nope.
Order canceled.
I didn't cancel my, come on now, don't do that. Don't do that. I don't like when they do that. I don't like when they do that, because now I'm bored. I gotta put my sell order back in, and then sometimes it'll get me out. Let's come on, I'm at 97.
Order filled.
Okay. Today is not the day. Thought that may have had some potential to push. I'm gonna try it again.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm gonna try it again. Let's see. I am going to move my stop up. And let's see if I can at least just get 200. Try to put something on the board. I haven't had a win yet. I haven't had a win yet. Let me see. I'm at what, 96? Haven't had a 4-point win yet. Just a 4-point win. That's all I'm looking for. Haven't had a 4-point win yet today. That's bad. Let alone 10. I haven't had a 4-point win yet. And that's bad when you haven't had a 4-point win. Do we get to pop out of here or no? I'm moving it up. I want it.
Order filled.
Just had to get some type of